It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and this is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, so we will be going straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend meal trading indicator. This has been an uptrend right from the resistance zone, got to the resistance, right from the support zone, got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it had a sell till it got to this region, but didn't go more than this, and of course it went back, and of course this time around it is selling, and of course once it breaks out from here, then definitely it will be getting to this region. Once it breaks out from here, it should be getting to the last part of the chart. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Boom 500 has been on downtrend, a very strong downtrend, and of course it got to this support zone and played around there for a while, and of course it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It was on downtrend before, but got to this region and went back on uptrend, but wasn't able to go above this. And of course, guys, this will still go back on uptrend because this is forming a big W. And of course, it will be trying out this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to keep on buying. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out below the support, and that is when it will keep on selling. This is also going to be a big buy. We just need it to break out above this resistance zone. This is crash 500. Okay, once it breaks out above this, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. V75 had been buying for a while, played around there for a while, but broke out above it, and of course it is still buying. If it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. So we should watch out for that. But this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance, and that is when it's going to sell. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so this is what we have for you guys today. And of course, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and join this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your questions within the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.